Welcome back to another episode of Trending FAQs. Today we will be talking about NFT, how to get started. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like and share with friends and family so you don't miss any of our future uploads. What are NFTs? NFTs or non-fungible tokens are smart contracts that represent the ownership of unique items, digital art, videos, music, tickets to an event, legal documents, etc. When something is non-fungible, it simply means it is unique and cannot be replaced with something else. For example, a dollar bill is a fungible item as $1 bill can be replaced by another and be considered and worth the same. A non-fungible item outside the crypto world is assets like diamonds, land, and even baseball cards. A non-fungible item is not interchangeable with other items because of its unique properties. NFTs only has one official owner, and the transaction and contract are secured and recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. Example of NFTs. 1. A piece of artwork was used to fund a cafe in NYC. 2. A digital item used in a virtual universe. 3. A ticket to an exclusive event around business, marketing, and ideas. How NFTs work. When an NFT is created or minted, it creates a smart contract recorded onto the blockchain. This contract is managed through a unicode, or address, that displays who the current owner is. When you purchase an NFT, think digital art, that unicode changes and is reflected on the blockchain, an online public ledger. You now have public and traceable ownership of that asset through the Ethereum blockchain. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, laptop connected to a network of concepts. A single person can only own an NFT, and the record of the sale, price, and ownership all exist on a public ledger, blockchain. When the NFT changes hands, the blockchain acknowledges the transaction viewable by all in public. Simply put, you own the NFT, proving the ownership is quite simple and secure, and so is any preceding sale of the asset. How to buy NFTs. Here are the steps you would take when attempting to purchase an NFT. Buy cryptocurrency. Join and fund a cryptocurrency marketplace like Coinbase to purchase ETH. Get a cryptocurrency wallet. Sign up for a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask, which is where you can store and control your cryptocurrency and digital assets. Transfer your cryptocurrency. Transfer your ETH coins from Coinbase to your wallet, MetaMask or other, which gives you the control to purchase NFTs across the various marketplaces. Join the NFT marketplace, Rarible. Join Rarible, which is a marketplace for NFT artwork. You will be asked to sync your digital wallet, MetaMask or other, to the site, which will allow you to purchase and then store your digital assets. How to value an NFT. Before you make your first big purchase, you may want to know how to value an NFT. We like to think of NFTs a bit differently than most. 99% of NFTs will probably not go up in value, so purchase an NFT from which you will get real-world use. As an example, the OpenSea marketplace for NFTs, and at the time of this writing, they had over 4 million assets for sale, and this number continues to grow exponentially every day. To assume all these assets will appreciate it would be a poor assumption. To even understand if NFTs will hold future value, it is essential to find projects with one of the following elements. 1. Is the project highly desirable, limited supply, or created by a celebrity? 2. Does the NFT project have use outside of just being a piece of art? 3. Is the art/project unique, or does it follow the same 8-bit formula as the past? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Also drop a comment down below.